All right.
Somebody's watching over you.
Somebody making sure that I'd be good.
Yep.
And protecting me all the time. All right, so here's the thing. We're talking about rarity is the theme of the whole show, right? Colors of diamonds, sizes of diamonds, designs in the ring. We're going to talk about rarity here in the cuts of diamonds. I remember easily the last time I presented. It was the first time I presented this ring with Peyton. And I just got so excited because you're seeing two cuts of diamonds that we don't see anywhere else at QVC, the Marquise cut and the Princess. But isn't it funny? When you look at it this way, they just look like enormous ovals. 6/10 of a carat is now clearance priced, a savings of $195 off of the QVC price, 6 easy payments, $166.50. Shipping and handling is included and is designed in such a way that it just looked like nothing but diamonds covering your finger, east to west.
It's like a sea of diamonds all the way across.
Ugh.
Very, very unusual. As you said, it's our only piece of jewelry in the Affinity line with princess cut diamonds and marquise. And when you look, you can see, if you look really, really closely, you can barely see it, but right in the center of each of those gorgeous ovals is a princess cut diamond.
It's so hard to see the way they're cut.
Right. Well, they're so brilliant. And you know, a princess cut diamond has the brilliance of a round, brilliant diamond, except in a square form. It's a little bit more of a modern cut. It's, you know, it was only really invented in the 60s, so it's a much more of a modern cut. But then look, it's surrounded by marquise.
Yeah.
So you have the look here of a carat and a half band.
Yes.
When you look at the whole just river or flow of diamonds across
River of
there.
diamonds. That's the way to describe it. And that's pretty much how close we had to come in. If I angle a little bit, you can see. I love that it's that hard to tell where one diamond ends and the next begins. And so there is your impactful look. There is your, we cheated the system, right? Because in no way does my eye tell me that this is 6/10 of a carat. What a glorious band to wear next to your own band ring or solitaire ring, but really on its own, it is such a statement piece. I can't believe that this is clearance price.
Well, unfortunately it is, because we can't get it back. Because the diamonds are such incredible quality and such difficult cutting that we can't bring this one back.
Well, that was what my next question was going to be. Well, we know why there are so few purple diamond pieces, right? Rare. Why would the Marquise and the Princess be so rare in our assortment?
Well, Marquise are one of the most difficult to cut because of the shape of it. You know, it's elongated, you have points at the end, and most Marquise, when they're cut, the ends tend to fade out and not have any life or any brilliance to them.
Right.
But when you see these, and you see the Marquise here, every single one is extremely brilliant, extremely sparkly, and has great fire coming out. And by nature, or the nature of the cutting rather, the princess cut does as well. So to match this, you have to start with a much finer diamond and a much finer cut. So when you're looking at this and you look at the matching, you can see it's just absolutely incredible. Again, this is one of those rings where every single area, the stones were cut just for that area. So it wasn't just a parcel of marquise that they matched up with a parcel of princess cuts. They had to be precision cut for this ring.
Only 24 of these rings remain. And then we will bid farewell because it will not and cannot be reordered. So it's only appropriate then, as we bid possibly farewell to it, that we give it a big send-off with the biggest package of easy pays that we can give you. 6 easy payments of $166.50. That clearance price is now under $1,000 for the first time. Shipping and handling is included on this. And I believe sizes, what did I say, size 8, 9, and 10 are the only ones that are available. And that is all, if you have any questions, that's all solid 14 karat white gold as well. Do you know what also I love? I suspect, even if these were just single stones, they wouldn't have the same sparkle because you've got two different cuts and each cut plays with light in its own way.
Well, the same thing with an oval. When you have an oval stone, it tends to be dead in the center of the stone. So when it's this, when you have that princess cut in the center, look at the brilliance, look at the magic of that princess cut surrounded by the marquise, where every single marquise is precision cut as well to be brilliant.
I could just do this.
Very, very unusual, very difficult to make. And that's why, unfortunately, we can't get it back.
Oh my gosh, it's like you can't even see the ring. It just looks like an eternity band of stones. Oh, J277434 is your item number. It's